Imagine waking up tomorrow morning to find your deepest desires and dreams have come true. What if I told you there's a method, a powerful technique that can turn your dreams into reality overnight? Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the transformative teachings of Neville Goddard. Get ready to discover how one night can change your life forever. Hello, beautiful souls. If you're new here, welcome to our community of dreamers and achievers. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm Mark, and today we're exploring a profound technique from Neville Goddard that promises to manifest your desires by morning. Neville Goddard was a visionary, a mystic, and one of the most influential figures in the world of manifesting and the law of attraction. His teachings have inspired countless individuals to harness the power of their imagination to create the life they desire. But who was Neville Goddard, really? Born in Barbados in 1905, Neville's journey into the mystical realms of imagination began when he moved to New York City in the 1920s. Through his lectures and books, Neville taught that our imagination is God within us, and that by mastering our inner world, we can shape our external reality. One of the most compelling aspects of Neville's work is his unwavering belief in the power of the human mind. He believed that our thoughts and feelings create our reality, and that by changing our inner state, we can transform our outer world. His teachings have laid the foundation for modern-day practices of the law of attraction and manifestation. Listen to this powerful quote from Neville. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe the route that your attention follows. This encapsulates the essence of his teachings, that by embodying the state of our desired reality, we draw it into our experience. At the core of Neville's teachings is the concept that imagination creates reality. He believed that our outer world is a direct reflection of our inner state of consciousness. By consciously directing our imagination, we can influence our experiences and manifest our desires. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a place where you feel completely at peace, a place where your heart's desires are already fulfilled. See it vividly, in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. This simple exercise is a glimpse into the power of your imagination. Neville often referred to the imagination as the inner man, the true self that can be shaped and molded to create our external reality. He believed that everything we experience in life is a product of our imagination. By deliberately focusing our thoughts and feelings on what we want, rather than what we don't want, we can manifest our desires. This concept is not just theoretical. It's backed by numerous success stories from people who have used Neville's techniques to transform their lives. Whether it's achieving financial abundance, finding love, or overcoming health challenges, the power of imagination has proven to be a potent force for change. Now, let's dive into the technique that Neville Goddard believed could manifest your desires by morning. It's called the state akin to sleep, or SATS. This method involves entering a drowsy, meditative state before falling asleep and visualizing your desire as if it's already fulfilled. Neville described this state as the bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind. By accessing this state, we can effectively communicate our desires to the subconscious, which then works to bring those desires into reality. Let's explore how you can practice this technique. Here's how to do it. Relax. As you prepare for bed, find a comfortable position and take a few deep breaths. Allow your body to relax completely. This helps quiet your mind and prepare you for the meditative state. Enter SATS. Close your eyes and let yourself drift into a state akin to sleep. This is the drowsy, half-awake, half-asleep state. Focus on your breathing and allow your body to become heavy and relaxed. Visualize. Now, vividly imagine a scene that implies your desire has already been fulfilled. Engage all your senses. See, hear, touch, taste, and smell the details of this scene. Make it as real and tangible as possible. Feel it real. Feel the emotions of having your desire fulfilled. Experience the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if it's happening right now. Emotions are a powerful signal to your subconscious mind. Drift into sleep. As you hold this vision and feeling, let yourself drift off to sleep. Trust that your subconscious mind will take over and bring your desire into reality. The key is to maintain the feeling and belief that your desire is already yours as you fall asleep. This technique works because the state akin to sleep is a powerful gateway to the subconscious mind. By impressing your desire onto your subconscious in this relaxed state, you're planting the seeds for manifestation. Consistency is crucial, so make this a nightly practice to see the best results. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some individuals who have experienced the magic of Neville Goddard's techniques firsthand. Testimonial 1. I was skeptical at first, but after trying this SATS technique, I manifested my dream job within a week. The key was to truly feel the emotions and believe it was already mine. I visualized myself at my new workplace, interacting with colleagues, and feeling accomplished. Within a few days, I received a job offer that matched my vision perfectly. Testimonial 2. I used the technique to manifest a loving relationship. Every night, I visualized myself with my ideal partner, feeling the love and joy. I imagined us doing activities together, laughing and supporting each other. Within a month, I met someone who matched my vision perfectly. It was as if the universe brought us together. Testimonial 3. Neville's teachings helped me manifest financial abundance. By visualizing and feeling wealthy every night, I attracted opportunities that significantly improved my financial situation. I imagined receiving checks, seeing my bank account grow, and feeling secure and prosperous. Opportunities for side jobs and investments started to appear, aligning with my visualizations. These stories are just a few examples of the countless individuals who have transformed their lives using Neville's techniques. The key is to remain consistent and to truly believe in the power of your imagination. When you feel as if your desire is already fulfilled, you set powerful forces in motion that can bring your dreams into reality. Let's recap the essential steps for using this SATS technique. Relax and prepare for sleep. Enter the state akin to sleep. Vividly visualize a scene that implies your desire is already fulfilled. Feel the emotions of your desire being realized. Drift off to sleep with this vision and feeling. Consistency and belief are your allies in this practice. The more you engage in this technique, the more you strengthen your ability to manifest your desires. To maximize the effectiveness of this technique, here are some tips. Be specific. Clearly define what you want to manifest. The more specific your vision, the better. Detail is crucial in creating a vivid and compelling image for your subconscious mind. Engage your emotions. Emotions are the driving force behind manifestation. Feel the emotions of already having what you desire. The more intense and genuine these emotions, the stronger the impression on your subconscious. Practice consistency. Make this technique a nightly ritual. The more you practice, the stronger the impression on your subconscious. Consistency is key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. Let go of doubt. Trust the process and let go of any doubts or fears. Believe that your desire is already on its way to you. Doubt can create resistance, so replace it with affirmations and positive thoughts. Gratitude. Express gratitude for your desires as if they have already manifested. Gratitude amplifies the energy of manifestation. Spend a few moments each night feeling grateful for your desired reality. Let's delve deeper into each of these tips to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of how to make this technique work for you. Be specific. When defining your desire, be as detailed as possible. Instead of saying, "I want a new job," specify the role, the company, the location, and even the salary. This clarity helps your subconscious mind understand exactly what you want and align with it. Engage your emotions. Emotions are the language of the subconscious mind. When you feel the emotions of having your desire, you're sending a powerful signal to your subconscious that this is your reality. The more intense and genuine these emotions, the stronger the impression. Practice consistency. Manifestation is not a one-time event, it's a continuous process. By making this technique a nightly ritual, you're constantly reinforcing your desire in your subconscious mind, increasing the likelihood of manifestation. Let go of doubt. Doubts and fears can block the manifestation process. Trust in the power of your subconscious mind and the process itself. Let go of any negative thoughts that may arise and replace them with positive affirmations. Affirmations such as "I am worthy of my desires" and "my dreams are coming true" can help reinforce your belief and eliminate doubt. Gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of positive energy. When you express gratitude for your desires as if they have already manifested, you elevate your vibration to match the frequency of your desired reality. Each night before sleep, spend a few moments feeling grateful for all that you have and for all that is coming your way. This will align you with the energy of abundance and attract more of what you want into your life. I know you might have some questions, so let's address a few common ones. What if I fall asleep before finishing the visualization? It's okay. The state akin to sleep is powerful even if you drift off during the process. Trust that your subconscious mind is working on it. The important part is the feeling you hold as you begin to drift off. How long does it take to see results? Manifestation times can vary. Some people see results overnight, while for others, it may take a few weeks. Consistency is key, and trusting the process will help. Remember, the timing of manifestation often depends on your belief and emotional alignment. Can I use this technique for multiple desires? Yes, but it's more effective to focus on one desire at a time. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the experience and emotions of that specific desire. Once you manifest one desire, you can move on to another. Another common question is about maintaining focus during visualization. If you find your mind wandering, gently bring it back to your desired scene. It's normal for thoughts to drift, especially when you're in a relaxed state. The more you practice, the easier it will become to maintain focus. Some of you might wonder if there are any specific times that are more effective for using this technique. While the state akin to sleep typically occurs naturally before bed, you can also practice it during other quiet moments in the day, such as during meditation or a relaxing break. The key is to reach that drowsy, relaxed state where your conscious mind is less active. Lastly, let's talk about belief. Your belief in the process and in your ability to manifest is crucial. Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of faith. Even if you don't see immediate results, maintain your belief. Doubt and disbelief can act as barriers to manifestation, so stay committed and trust that your desires are unfolding in perfect timing. Remember, you are a powerful creator. Your imagination is a limitless resource that can shape your reality. By dedicating just a few minutes each night to this technique, you are taking a significant step towards manifesting your dreams. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and know that you deserve to live a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Neville Goddard's teachings are a testament to the incredible potential within each of us. Manifestation is a journey, and like any journey, it has its ups and downs. There may be times when you feel like giving up, but remember that persistence is key. Keep visualizing, keep feeling those positive emotions, and keep believing in your power to create. Every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. I want to share a personal story with you. There was a time in my life when I felt stuck and unsure of my future. I decided to give Neville Goddard's technique a try. Each night, I visualized myself living my dream life, a life filled with passion, purpose, and happiness. I focused on the feelings of joy and gratitude. It didn't happen overnight, but gradually I started to notice changes. Opportunities began to appear, and my life took a turn for the better. This technique works, and I'm living proof of its power. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this powerful technique. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on manifesting your dreams. And hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I would love to hear about your experiences with this technique. Have you tried Neville Goddard's SATS method? What results have you seen? Share your stories in the comments below. Your success stories can inspire others to believe in their own power to manifest. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power to create your dream life is within you. Have a wonderful night and happy manifesting.